I'm working on this X5M, and the problem we've got here is actually the rear tailgate, which only opens about midway. So for instance, if we just open it now, there we go, that's all it opens to. It doesn't open anymore. So what we're going to do is initialize the rear tailgate using the Autel machine. What we're going to do is, once you've paired it up to the vehicle, you just go into hot function, and then you just go into this one here, window, door and roof, and it says power tailgate initialization. These are the others, but we only need this one because that's the one that's not working properly. So let's just shut that. Okay, that's fine. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'll probably open it and shut it itself, you never know. I mean, I've done like 4 Series, a lot of other vehicles where they've had issues and they don't shut, especially like 2-door vehicles, where when you shut it and the window doesn't go down or go up. So yeah, that requires it. So yeah, we'll see what happens on this. Let's just put the brightness up a little bit so we get an idea of what's what. Okay, so that's fine. So apparently it's done it. If we press continue, okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So let's just put yes for now. So since it's failed, what we're gonna do is just open it up again, please. And I am just going to shut it using this button. Here we go. Lovely. Yeah, let's just press that. That's all good. So it's happy with everything now. If you just open it up again for me, please. Here we are. So now it's going all the way rather than stopping midway. So yeah, that's all it needs. I mean, most cars, well, you get this sort of problem when you've had a low battery, a drained battery. It could be anything really, but that's your main cause, and that's the way to kind of go about this.